Hey guys, name's Paul. Today I'll be reviewing possibilities offered by Commercex. The company has started in 2016, as you can see here, and it has started in product sourcing and dropshipping initially. But then we have gone public in 2019, and July 1st we actually launched, and when the company launched, there was now a possibility for you to come along and invest or come along and start your own business. Now, I'm gonna be going over the 3 ways in which you can invest, and I'm mostly gonna be focusing on affiliate marketing and, more importantly, drop shipping. You can look into private labeling if you're interested. So, these are the investment plans. There's the affiliate marketing. So if you are, let's say you're a beginner and you're not really sure what you're doing, you can just go and invest $20 to see what happens. I'm not gonna go over what this is. You should know what it is. It's basically you're gonna attract people to Commercex through various means, various media, and when people buy something from your link, you're gonna get a percentage profit from that purchase, which can be up to 2.15 daily, depending on the investment. Any investment you make into the website is permanent, so once you invest money, you'll start getting returns daily, weekly, monthly, and it'll be forever, you know. You'll always be making money after you invest once. Now the profits here are very good because the company is very new and we just launched and everything's going great because there's thousands of people signing up and thousands of people on Facebook, thousands of people on other social medias. So what I'm saying is, if you invest today, you'll be making your money back in a couple of months, and in a year you could be making up to up to 4 times or more than that, depending on the amount of referrals you can do. So that is the appeal, and these are the investment plans, with dropshipping being the more expensive option, which is the recommended option, because the more money you invest, the more money you're gonna make. So if you wanna make bank, you're gonna go with dropshipping. It's as simple as that. Now I don't really wanna go over what it is, but basically you invest money, we buy stuff, we sell stuff, we give you a big percentage of that. And once a client buys from us because you attracted him, that is when we pay you the most, because with such a huge investment from the client, we can then pay you a large percentage of that. That's why dropshipping pays off huge compared to affiliate marketing. So it's recommended. Now, to talk more about the partners affiliate referral system, which is basically what you'll be doing if you want to grow your own business and to not be just a person who invested and left it be, right? So you're gonna produce content, you're gonna generate this traffic, and basically if you're a partner, you will have referral levels. So the more people you refer, right, the more money you are going to make. And oh, what is this? Well, apparently there's errors. So the more people you refer, the more you're going to make. There are referral levels. You can get up to 2, 4, or 12% off of all the purchases made by whoever you refer to as commission money from their purchase. Now as you climb through the referral ranks, there are prizes, and there are prizes ranging from very high amounts of money to even cars being given away. Commercex, this company, rewards you for your efforts. So if you bring us more clients, we will reward you with money or with rewards. There's always motivation, and there's always reward for someone who wants to be a partner and not just invest a little bit of money and then stay passive. When you sign up or do any sort of activity, you'll get activity bonuses. You get a one-time cash bonus to your account upon the first referral. So when you start this referral partner program, you basically get a huge bonus on your first client. Of course, it's even more if you go with dropshipping. And depending upon your performance with the referrals, you can make up to $5,000 from the referral program. Now, yeah, so we are offering opportunity for both new and seasoned investors here. And if you are an influencer on social media or something, this will pay off even more because you'll be able to attract more potential clients. So, my suggestion is go big, go with dropshipping. You'll start seeing real returns. I know it's risky, but it would be the most profitable thing to do in the long term and probably in the short term as well. Where basically you just invest and then you do whatever you can to refer people to you. So you'll be making money from the referrals and you'll be making money from us selling stuff and giving you your cut. I mean, that'll just about cover it for now, I think. I've introduced the possibilities. And you can study the rest of this for yourself and you can see, do some math and stuff. You can make at least $1 on every investment you make. That's the minimum. And Commercex has just only been here for a couple of weeks and we've been growing insanely. So if you hop in now, there's a chance that you might not miss the hype train and you might make a lot of money. So I think that'll be it for me. That's gonna be Paul signing off. Thank you very much.